Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, and in this video I'm just going to tell you that how to restrict someone on Instagram, which is very simple and easy to do. This video I will tell you the two methods to restrict someone on Instagram, so just wait for the second one, which is pretty simple and easy. So let's get started. And first of all, open up your Instagram app. So first of all, let's go through the first method, which is just simply come to the menu and tap on the three lines on the top right, and then here we get option of settings and privacy. On the right, you tap, just simply tap on that option and scroll a little bit until you get the option of restricted. Just simply tap on that option, and then here it will show all of your restricted accounts. So if you want to unrestrict, just simply tap on unrestrict, and if you want to restrict someone, just tap on search, and then here search for the person to whom you want to restrict, and just simply tap on restrict. So like in this way you can restrict someone on Instagram. So there's also another way. Just simply come to the home and tap on the messenger icon on the top right. So here, if you have a chat of that person to whom you want to restrict, just simply open up its chat, and if you don't have, just search here for the person and open up its chat, and just tap on the profile on the top left, and then here tap on three lines on the top right, and just here you can see the option of restrict. Just simply tap on restrict. So that's very simple and cool way. Just simply click on dismiss. So that's how you can easily restrict someone on Instagram. So I hope it helped you guys, and if you have any question about the tutorial, just leave me in the comment below and I'll be catching you in the next video. Thanks guys, and if you don't, just like and subscribe to my channel.